Let's toss it over to Mike Patton, head trader at Thunder Trading. Mike, you are throwing the dice this week.
My trade of the day is Las Vegas Sands. The symbol is LVS. Now, this is a company probably a lot of us are familiar with. They're one of the casino companies in Las Vegas, based in Las Vegas. Their website is sands.com. They employ 44,700 employees. And right now, this company looks like it's a pretty good value proposition. Currently, the stock's trading around $53 a share. But I do think there's substantial upside potential, somewhere in the neighborhood of anywhere between 65 to maybe even as high as $80 a share within the next 6 to 12 months. We're looking at some strong growth projections for this company. The growth projection for the next 5 years is actually looking like it could be double what it was in the previous 5 years. So looking pretty good, but obviously we have to think about risk too. In my opinion, just looking at the trading activity, if the stock is able to trade downwards to maybe about 47.50 or so, I think that would be a good reason to get out. But other than that, as long as it stays on track from where it is now, it looks like we have some pretty solid upside potential.
Don't casino stocks tend to be tied to what's happening with the economy? Did that play a role in your stock pick?
They do. So generally speaking, if the economy is poor, no one's going to the casino. So that is a big risk. So I do feel like there are some potential headwinds. By the way, they have earnings coming up in 12 days. So we'll probably see like what the picture looks like at that point. So I will wait until after earnings, or if you're willing to take the chance, you can get in before earnings, depending on your risk tolerance. But again, the numbers I mentioned, if it gets down like 47 or so, I would get out. But as long as the economy is able to generally sustain itself, then these projections will probably work out. But again, if the economy takes a nosedive, then definitely just like, hotels and any type of leisure industries are going to suffer. So I would just keep an eye on that. It is a discretionary industry, so it's not like people have to go to the casino. But as of right now, it seems like they're doing good, and their numbers are proving it. So as long as that growth keeps going, I do think this company looks like a good value. So we're looking for it to go up from here.
Thanks for the Vegas trade.
No problem.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.